I felt like I should be the person that tells and exposes young people to the skills that are out there, to the in-demand knowledge and digital skills that they can get involved in. My name is Valentine Masicha. I am the founder of Mindset Coders. Mindset Coders is an organization that is building Africa's future talent pipeline by creating accessible learning pathways, innovation ecosystems, and real-world opportunities for young people. So Mindset Coders is working with different organizations that have a network of schools. We are working with different individual schools, private and public schools. We are working with associations that have a network of schools, and we are bringing them together to build this partnership that allows us to equip and empower young people with digital skills. We are empowering them with skills like robotics. We are making resources available for young people to be able to build, to get involved in the 21st century skills, and to match them up with their peers within the global space. Mindset Coders came from a lack of awareness about the different opportunities that are out there in as far as technology is concerned. Myself, I'm a social science graduate, and I got to get exposed to technology, particularly programming, after my university, and I found it very interesting. And from this awareness and this exposure to programming at a later stage in life, I felt like if I had gotten the mentorship or the direction or just the career advice on the different opportunities in technologies that were out there, then my degree would have been tech related. And because of that awareness and feeling of the gap that was there in career advice, I felt like I should be the person that tells and exposes young people to the skills that are out there, to the in-demand knowledge and digital skills that they can get involved in, and be able to give them the opportunity to see the different opportunities that are out there in Uganda and outside Africa.
Yeah, so at Mindset Coders, we run a couple of programs. So one of them is Coding Unplugged. So this is a very good program that we put together, mostly targeting the underserved communities. This is unplugged, which means you do not have to have electricity to participate or use this program for learning. So this is one of the programs that teaches computer programming, critical thinking. So apart from that, we have AI for kids. And this is where you find we are introducing how to use AI for the children. Yeah, so looking at how can they use it in classroom, in activities, in development, and creating more activities and sparking creativity using AI. And another program that we have is AI in classroom for the teachers. So with the recent boom of AI, we want the teachers to be able to safely use AI in the most productive way, to have it as a tool that can help them enhance their teaching and be able to interact with it and be able to make it easy for them to do their work as teachers. And another program that we are having as Mindset Coders is robotics. With the robotics program, the teachers and the students are able to learn how to create a robot to solve the problems that are in their community, be able to compete worldwide with kids from the international schools, kids from underserved communities, kids from people with disabilities, and all those are able to create actively with a robotics program where we are going to teach them, and we teach the teachers to ensure that even if we are not in the school, the teachers can continue teaching that. And apart from that, we have other programs that we do. And this is, I think I'm going to the event side, where from the teachings that we've been doing from the robotics, the AI, we come together and create events like the robotics competition that is nationwide. We also do school competitions, and this will lead us to help these kids compete internationally with one of our biggest events, which is World Robotics Olympiad, where the students participate. Uganda students are able to participate and compete with the students worldwide. So Mindset Coders has existed for almost a decade now. From when we were starting, telling the school that let's teach, because we started with coding. First of all, they didn't know what coding was. So we needed to first do some kind of advocacy, train, educate, and show examples of what different people in different countries are doing and how we are falling behind. So we needed to first take that aside. And now when the COVID came and everything was shut down, we needed to go back and reintroduce ourselves. It was really hard because most of these concepts, robotics, coding, they were very alien to each and every person who were telling it to, mostly the schools and the head teachers. They were not understanding these concepts. So from the beginning, because we kept on doing it and showing up, people started understanding, and the schools that allowed us to implement these ideas, we were able to start carrying on competitions. So now when the competitions came in and were able to get some visibility, they were seeing kids on TV, the builders, they are competing internationally, winning. So it became easier for us. And now with the era of AI and more understanding of technology, the period of 8 years really did us well that right now we really do not need to advocate too much about what we're talking about. The schools are willing, and they are, I think, now coming to us to be part of the programs that we are running. For example, robotics competition and better understanding of AI for the teachers. These are some of the things that have really stood out, and I think it's much better now.